गॉड ब्लेस यू माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम लोग रिप्रेजेंट करना सीखेंगे रेशनल नंबर को नंबर लाइन पे। हाउ डू वी रिप्रेजेंट ए रेशनल नंबर ऑन ए नंबर लाइन? देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you must know what is a number line. We know what is a line, but what is number line? I am taking here a line. Now you know that there are many points, infinite number of points are here. There is a point, there is a point, there is a point, and between these two points also there are infinite number of points. There are many points on this line. Now I am taking any one point and suppose this represents 0. This point represents 0. We can take it. Now at some distance there is a point which represents 1, and again one more point I am taking which is equidistant. That means 0 से 1 के बीच में जितना डिस्टेंस मैंने लिया है उतना ही डिस्टेंस यहाँ लेंगे और यहाँ एक पॉइंट ले रहे हैं. This point will represent 2, and in the same way to the left side take equidistant points. This point will represent -1 and this point will represent -2. So you have many points and many numbers can be represented on this line. This line is called number line. When you represent numbers on a line, that line is called number line. Okay? You got? Now remember, if you move to the right side of 0, you get positive numbers. Right of 0 and left of 0, you get negative numbers. There are some numbers, but we want to represent a rational number on this line. I am taking a rational number. Suppose if 2 by 5, I am taking a rational number 2 by 5. You know that 2 by 5 is a positive rational number. Right here, positive. And you also know that positive rational number or positive number is represented to the right side of 0. So I am taking more space to the right side. We don't need space to the left side. So right here 0. Take a point on this number line and write here 0. After that, take many points, but all these points should be equidistant. बराबर दूरी पर हम पॉइंट लेंगे by using scale 1 centimeter or 1 millimeter or half centimeter, whatever you want. But these distances should be same, equal. Take many points. Okay? All these points are equidistant. सारे के सारे बराबर दूरी पे हैं. Now, look at the denominator. Denominator is 5. And what is numerator? It is 2. Denominator is 5. So first point will represent 1 by 5. Second point 2 by 5. Third point 3 by 5. Fourth point 4 by 5. Fifth point 5 by 5. 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5, 10 by 5. Okay? Now, 10 by 5. Look here, 10 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. That means 2. 10 by 5 represents 2. So, write here 2. Now, here 5 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5. 1. That means 5 by 5 represent 1. You can write like this. 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 5 by 4 by 5, pi by 5. In place of pi by 5, we write 1. What was the question? 2 by 5. Where it is? It is here. This point represents 2 by 5. Okay? Now tell me, what will you do if you have a negative rational number? Suppose 3 by 7 minus 3 by 7. First of all, draw a number line like this. Draw a line by using a scale. This is a negative number. It will be to the left side of 0. So you want more space in the left hand side. Write here 0. Take any point and write here 0. What is denominator here? 7. Okay. So start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or you can draw more points. First point will represent minus 1 by 7. Second, minus 2 by 7. Third, minus 3 by 7. Minus 4 by 7. Minus 5 by 7. Minus 6 by 7. Minus 7 by 7. Minus 8 by 7. And 7 1 just 7. Cancel. So it will represent minus 1. Okay. Now, what do you want? You want minus 3 by 7. So where it is? It is minus 3 by 7. Minus 3 by 7. This point will represent minus 3 by 7, and in this way you will learn how do we represent a number on number line. Sometimes you find a bigger number which you have to represent on the number line. If you start from 1 by something, 2 by something like this, it will take more space. Then what we have to do? I am solving this problem by taking an example. Look here. Suppose you have 97 by 3 and you have to represent it on a number line. What will you do? It is very simple. First of all, change this improper fraction into a mixed number. Okay? Divide 97 by 3. 3 3 ja 9 and 3 2 ja 6. You will get 32 whole 1 by 3. 32 whole 1 by 3. Now represent this number on number line. First draw a line. Take equidistant points. बराबर दूरी पर पॉइंट लो. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is more than 32. 32 and 1 by 3. So write here 32 whole and here 32 whole 1 by 3. And this point will represent 32 whole 2 by 3. This point 32 whole 3 by 3. And this point 32 whole 3 by 3 means what? 32 and 1. It is 33. It is 33. So, your answer is here. 32 whole 1 by 3. This point. This point will represent 32 whole 1 by 3. Or you can say 97 by 3. Minus 29 by 3. Draw a straight line. Take points. बराबर दूरी पर पॉइंट ले लो. स्केल की मदद से। नाउ यू नो दैट दिस इज अ नेगेटिव नंबर, सो इट विल बी लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द जीरो। ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेक इट इनटू अ मिक्स्ड नंबर। इसको चेंज कर लो। कैसे चेंज करेंगे? 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे 29 को। 3 9 जा 27 and it is left here 2. It will be 9 whole 2 by 3. That means this number will lie between -9 and -10. This is between -9 and -10. Right here -9 and here -9 whole 1 by 3. Denominator is 3. This point will represent -9 whole 2 by 3. And this one -9 whole 3 by 3 means what? 3 by 3 1. That means it will represent -10. -9 1 by 3 2 by 3 and 3 by 3, so it is -10. Your answer is here. This point is representing -29 by 3 and your answer is here. Okay, my dear students, I hope you understood whatever I taught in this video. So like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.